we got more packages from Depop. Let's open them. Package 1. These look like my dad's shorts. We got one pair. They're striped. They're from Funky Buddha. They're really cute. And then there's this pair, also striped, from Funky Buddha, just in a different color. Very cute. Next package. Is a raincoat. From Columbia. It's very nice, very light. Next package. This one's cute. Cute tissue paper inside. Look at that. Very sweet. Ooh, this is my dress. It's got pockets. And this is from A New Day. It's really cute. I believe it's 80% cotton and 20% linen. So perfect for Guam. Next package, really cute. They wrapped it in a paper bag. Shorts. Also for my dad. Tag still on it. They're from Gap. They're a little thicker than I thought, but they're very cute. Next package. Comes in a plastic bag. Oh, this is my dad's shirt. It's a very fun color. Long sleeve to keep the sun off, but thin enough to breathe well. This one is from Tommy Bahama. And last package. Ooh, these are for me. They're silver hoops. I'll wash them and then put them on. And let's pop them in. These are the latch kind because I find that the kind with the loop on the back really irritate my ears. There we go. Oh, perfect. I was worried they might be like so long that they hit my shoulder, but I have a pretty long neck, so. Gorgeous. I love wearing hoops as a person with short hair. Fun. Thanks for watching.